Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys are ready for a very fun, very exciting, and hopefully very entertaining and also hopefully profitable. You guys were god awful yesterday with this afternoon. So, we're doing this for real this time, guys. I hope you guys are ready to have some fun. Market's been absolutely tanking after Trump opened his mouth about some more tariffs. It's kind of related to the EU this time. But again, as we've seen time and time again, a lot of these issues do get resolved pretty quickly. So we'll see what happens with the market going into the end of the day here. Nike's a little red. We've got Wendy's a little red, but not quite to that area where I would ditch it. Neo is looking awesome though today. This move today, guys, is filthy. So let's see if this one can continue. So let's do a little bit of the ground. We have the Apex account right here. So you got also, I saw somebody in the live chat ask if we're trading 15 or 20 accounts. If after yesterday, when you guys lost 4 in a row and we did this for the first time, you think that I'm going to go start slinging around 15 to 20 Apex accounts? You guys are going to have to prove it to me that you guys can handle this and pass the accounts. The other fun thing that we're going to be doing here, guys, is if somehow you guys pass one of these accounts, and also if somehow we get to a payout, I'm going to be giving away all of the money that we make here on these accounts to either charity or to somebody in the live chat, which we'll do another poll on that when the time comes. But ladies and gentlemen, say good afternoon to everybody. We are going to have some fun. Make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in, sharing the stream with a friend. We are going to have so much fun on here. And you guys are also going to learn a lot too. We're going to talk a lot about trading the market in the meantime as well. So the first poll is going to go out in about 10 minutes here for long or short. So here's how it works. For those of you guys that weren't here yesterday, this is how we do this here. It's the first day that we're doing this for real. So here's how we're going to be doing this. Swing Kings to Scalping Kings. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh, you guys are slacking big time on the like button. Uh-oh. We're going to have some fun here, though. So here's how it works. We do a poll, long or short. So you guys get to decide. It's about the first poll will probably be about 2 minutes long that you'll have time to vote in. Then we decide how many points of risk that we're going to have. Then we go risk to reward. Those are the 3 criteria. And on the opening of every 15-minute candle, the trade is placed. Okay. So we can let the risk to reward go for a little bit longer because as long as we have entry and stop, we're good to go. Also, we're going to be trading 5 micros. That's how we're going to do it with this one. I hope you guys are excited. We're going to have some fun cheering on these trades that you guys pick on this eval account here. Let's see if you guys can pass. I don't think you can. After 4 losing trades yesterday, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to pick anything good. You might, you never know. So we have about 7 minutes to go until the first poll is going to go out here, guys. So I hit the like button. Oh, thanks, man. Oh, we're passing 1 at least. You got to at least pass 1. You guys can't be that bad at trading. But we're going to do some TikTok, some Instagram videos about this series too. We're going to have some fun with this. So, but it could just be me just hating on the live chat because like those videos out there with like the chicken picking the trades, you guys can't let a chicken beat you. You guys should really, if you guys let this chicken beat you that's out there to picking this guy's trades on prop firms, that's going to be a little bit of a problem there. So we'll see what we got. Vic's on the phone with the lady in the red. I'm shocked that you guys don't know who that is. Like, it's impossible to miss on Twitter who that person is. So I'm not going to explain it. I'm going to let you guys find this out for yourselves because, like, I don't really want to. It's a wild story, but I mean, she could have the craziest rug pull of all time in the crypto space, which would not surprise me in the slightest if that ended up happening. There's just some big rug pull, but Neo's still pushing there. We've got ES starting to push back to the upside here. Nike starting to gain back up. There we go. But again, we're just going to have some fun with these. So we have 6 minutes to go until the first poll is going to go out. Long or short. You guys can start making your predictions now. I think everybody's going to pick long. That's just how I think it's going to go. But I have no idea. This is going to be fun for me to see everything that you guys try and do on these evals here, which probably going to end up costing me money, but we'll see. Neo strong like bull. Yeah, Neo looks really good. So again, share the stream, put it out there. We're going to be doing these every day, not Fridays and maybe not Monday, but every other day of the week, we're going to be doing this series here where the live chat is going to get to pick all the trades, which is going to be hilarious. New here? What's up, man? How you doing? What am I trading? Well, okay, let's just make this clear for everybody. I'm primarily a swing trader, but it's going to be really fun. What we're going to be doing here on these streams is we're letting the live chat decide which day trades to pick on these eval accounts. So we're going to be doing this on ES. We're going to be using MES for this. But there's going to be a lot of lessons that you guys can learn from this. Obviously, we're going to be talking about day trading, swing trading, everything else in the in the middle of all of that. But again, for those of you guys that don't know, like I'm 25. I've been learning about markets and trading since I was 14 years old from some of the most like successful financial professionals in the world. So I have a good understanding of what we're doing here. Don't know the girl in the red, not your type. Yeah, well, that's that type of thing and probably would have benefited you in the situation that she got herself in. So, but all right, we're gonna have some fun. So we have 4 minutes until the first poll goes out, long or short, and then we're gonna start letting it rip. Wendy's, Bitcoin. I mean, we were mapping this out on Twitter. You lose 90,700, this thing was gonna die, and now you're what? 6,000 lower on Bitcoin. Nailed the top in, well, I mean, I was talking about the top coming in yields on this day. So I was 2 days off the actual top, but like very close to in terms of like where the top in yields actually was. So that's nice. What's MES? It's what do you call it? It's the micro futures of the S&P 500. The reason why we're not doing ES is because like I don't trust you guys to make these trades. I really don't trust you. Oh, nice. I'm up for that. Well, Cozy, we tested this out yesterday. The first time we did it in the live chat, lost 4 trades in a row. Doge man, what's up, buddy? How you doing? So we're gonna have some fun. Let's see if you guys can get a little buffer on this new Apex eval. Oh, the other rules are I can't trade you guys out of drawdown. That's another rule that we have to have. I can't just like side quest it and trade you guys out of drawdown. If you guys blow the account, you blow the account and I have to get a new one. So that's how it's going to go. We have, okay, 3 minutes here, guys. This one looks easy. Is there a trick? What are you talking about? What's up, everyone? What's up, Money Wicks? How you guys? Again, guys, as you guys are filtering in here, make sure you guys keep hitting that like button on the stream. Costs you nothing to do it. Helps me out a whole lot. Spreading these streams out to as many people who want to get entertained by this and learn. You guys are going to learn a lot from these. So you're going to show like technical analysis? I can cover the trades after, but this is for fun. This is you guys picking what trades we take. So you guys get to decide. Or do we give you ideas and you validate? No. It's a poll. So it's long or short. How many points of risk and what risk to reward are we taking? Every 15 minutes. That's the formula that we came up with yesterday on how to do it the most effectively. You haven't been here before? Oh, no, that's fine. Friday, you guys are going to get a lot better of an understanding in the morning of what I do every single day. But these are for entertainment, and these are going to be fun. Boomer bust, let's go. From what you guys did yesterday, it's looking like bust. 4 losing trades in a row. Great work, guys. And then we're just going to be using 5 MES for it. So we'll see. Neo's got some potential for a lot of fun. So that'll be an interesting one. I only bought like 4,000 shares of it. Nothing crazy. I do want more. Like I would like to buy more Neo. Yin's up a lot. Yin's a fun one. All right, hold on. We have 1 minute to go. We're going to start the first poll. So you guys are going to have a couple of minutes for this one. There's going to be a lot of typing over here. Long, short. All right, there you go. You guys are going to have a couple minutes for this one. Everybody gets to vote. Then the second one that comes in is going to be how many points of risk. And then the third one is risk to reward. Oh, it's 50. It's 50-50. Oh, no. You guys. Oh, hold on. You can't wait for someone to do a reaction video of one of these streams? Yeah, I'm gonna start using OBS for them, I think, so it comes in higher quality because it should be high quality right now, but I don't think it is. So if I clip them, but I'm gonna be posting, like, Instagram videos and TikTok videos about this too, because this is gonna be like a fun little challenge and experiment because I think this is gonna go horrifically wrong. Or it's gonna be, like, very binary. Like, it's either gonna go really well, and then I give away all the money to either a charity that you if you guys pass a bunch of these accounts, or I give all the money away to somebody in the live chat. That's how we're gonna do this. So stick around, you guys. If the live chat does well, what's it? Oh, it's looking like long. So every 15-minute interval is when we're gonna do it. If you guys have a what do you call it? Are you the only one that said short? You might end up being right. Who knows? That's the fun of this, so that you guys can yell at each other in the live chat too, and cheer on the trades as we do them. All right, how many votes do we have? Is everybody voting? 27 votes. Okay. It's looking like long. It's looking like everybody's saying long here. 67%. I'll give it, let's see. I'll give it another 30 seconds and we'll see. Because the next one is points of risk and it's 246. That's how we're doing it. And then risk to reward, which is 234. 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. So hopefully this starts to make sense to everybody. I think it's pretty simple. It's gonna be short, guy. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. We're waiting for that 15-minute candle. All right. So we're going long. You guys have decided long. Now we need how many points of risk? Oops. I gotta go quick. All right, there we go. You picked short. Well, Myra, sorry, you're on the wrong side of this one here. I can't decide either. I'm up to the will of the live chat here. So let's see. You've got. I'll let this go for a minute and a half. How many points of risk? 2 points, 4 points, or 6 points? 4. Ooh. Ooh. The ranges on these are tight too. Let's see. Okay, so we've got 4 points of risk. All right, end poll. Now we're gonna do risk to reward. If you guys start slinging this out of the gate, I'm gonna laugh. This is gonna be funny. Only 2 points. Don't risk too much. I can't. They set 4 points of risk with 5 MES. This is how we're doing it here, guys. And again, keep smacking that like on the way in. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna do this until basically market close. Sling it. 1 to 3 risk to reward. All right, so we have 4 points of risk. 1 to 3 risk to reward. It's what it's looking like right now. And we're longing. Okay, guys. All right, let's see. Uh-oh. Let's see. We have how much time? 50 seconds. So you have 50 seconds to just decide risk to reward. Oh, 1 to 2. It's a tie. If we tie, we go to the shorter one. Or nope, no tie. Sling time? It's looking like 1 to 3. You guys don't want a 1 to 4. You're trying not to relapse here, swing trading escape. This is gonna be for fun, for entertainment, and for content on the internet. We're gonna especially for the shorts and stuff. All right, how much time do we have? 15 seconds. 6R double size. No, this is fun. I know it's fun. So just keep hitting that like button. Keep sharing the stream. We're gonna have some fun with this. All right, on the opening of this candle, we have to long. We have no choice. All right. So 64 points of risk gets us to where? Can I do math? 5. And it's a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Oops. We're going to have to zoom in on this more. Oh my God, you guys are in the green. Nope. So then you guys picked 1 to 3. So we need 12 points. You guys are slinging it. Oh my God. So your TP is like up here, guys. It's right here. Okay. So we're in. You guys picked the first trade. Here we go. Here we go. You said 1 to 4, but you think short. Okay. Well, we'll see what happens here. I don't like that 5-minute candle. Are you guys, is the live chat seriously about to go 5 losing trades in a row on this? Really? This is what we've decided? You're up $12 here, guys. Great work. We're using 5 MES. Here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. All right, trade 1. Looking okay so far, but we'll see. Should be down there. Oh, I know. I don't like that 5-minute candle either, but this is what you guys have decided. You guys are hoping for that V-shaped recovery over here. Oh, all right. The live chat is looking all right so far. I mean, if you do clear that high, you actually might be all right up to that TP. I've got to draw out these trades too on TradingView just so because I think this will delete them. So it's 69, 65. All right. Let's see. Uh-oh. All right, we just got to make sure we have these on here. Uh-oh. You guys goofed it. You guys goofed it. Wisdom of the crowd, apparently. That's the point of this. Nike's moving back up. That's nice. Wendy's still looking fine. Neo's looking good. That's why we can't have nice things, chat. I don't know. I don't know what you've done. Guys, this is going to be 5 in a row that you guys are going to goof on. Unless the buyers come in. Unless you guys summon some buyers, you guys might be screwed on this one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You guys picked wrong. Oh, no. Nike G's. Nike's fine. Damn. You're still okay. You said short? Come on. Hey, man, I don't get to decide. This is you have to convince everybody in the live chat. You guys have to talk amongst yourselves and decide whether or not you want a long or short. Good choice. Volume seems low. Oh, it's going to pick up. Don't you worry. Volume will probably pick up as we go into power hour here after all this craziness that we've seen today. Team, what are you guys doing? I don't know, man. I mean, I wouldn't have shorted here. I also probably wouldn't have done it. You guys should all be focusing on swing trading over day trading anyway, but like I probably wouldn't be longing here. That's probably not the best idea. Guys, next one, sure. Hey, well, if we go for another 11 minutes here in this one, we just have to roll it over to the next trade. All in short. I mean, we could full port one. We could full port one. Will we? Probably not. All right, you're about to get a new 5-minute candle here, and you have 2 terrible wicks. Terrible wicks. This is not looking good for you guys right now. Nobody's going to be able to win any money from this. Uh-oh. Inverse SCP power hour. It's inverse the live chat, man. Oh, you're fighting a little. It's getting a little spicy. Quick, average down. Yeah, full port. Neo's looking great here, though. Neo's looking really good. We blew it again. Does power have more volume? Yeah, well, you'll see it come in, yeah. Does anybody have a chicken nearby? I don't know. You guys were supposed to be the chicken, and you guys suck. You guys are doing terrible right now. Terrible. Well, not really. I mean, you haven't been. It's not 5 in a row losers yet. Doji and a hammer? Yeah, you're not looking good. I would not be long here, guys. Unless something crazy happens, but it's not looking promising. Yeah, Neo's looking really good for us. Time frame do I swing? Daily. It's the daily. It's all talked about in the courses though. Like also, this is the last week to get 50% off your first month to the Discord and lock in the lower rate before prices go up. Think of the chicken, time to full pour. Okay, so you guys are 0 for 5. You guys have won 0 trades on this, doing this so far. So now we get to start thinking about the next one. But I'm gonna give you we're gonna give it a couple of minutes here. Just so that like it's not like you're not coming in like you're not figuring out like 9 minutes before. Swings are the way. Yeah, they are. The fact that more people don't trade like we do in the community is it's mind blowing to me because it's like, why wouldn't you just want 1,000%? Like, I don't know why people don't do it. It doesn't make any sense. People are like, I want to day trade, and it's like you're gonna see why that's probably not a smart idea doing these streams here. With all these insults he's throwing at us as the best Discord on the planet, you'll be pissed you didn't join sooner. Yeah, I have a link to it somewhere. I'll throw it in the live chat for you guys. Use code TRADE. You get 50% off your first month. I'll throw it in here for you guys. Here you go. Yeah, what else do we have? Neo's looking really good. Nike, I mean, that's fine. I have so much time on these that I can let these sit. Wendy's, we'll see. It's been very slow though. Like, remember when we were looking at setups this morning and we found one out of like the entire market that looked all right, and that one is starting to invalidate. So there's really nothing there. I like the Neo idea. So we're gonna see about that. So all right, guys, we are getting close. Probably another 2 minutes here, or a minute, and then I'm going to give you guys the next long or short poll. Retesting, it's going back up. Well, hey, this is a democracy on these streams. You guys will all be able to have your voices heard, every single one of you. It's the only way I trade now and forever. It's so much less stressful. Yeah, that's why. It's like, and it eliminates every single one of the like stupid emotional and psychological mistakes that most people make. It's the best way to trade. Not us screwing around looking at the live chat being like, hey. Okay, so that was the first one here. I got to leave these up because what do you call it? Tradeovate might delete them. Then I can't use them for a video. So, all right. I want to see you guys win one. That's what I want. I want to see you guys win. We're starting off the challenge in the red here. What do we have for drawdown now? $2,300? Oh. Oh, guys. You always sell too fast? Yeah, well, I mean, all of the profit target taking, everything is explained. You guys get it's literally $30 to join. All right, new poll. Here we go. Long or short? Oh, wait, the other poll is still open. Sorry. Here we go. All right, let's see if you guys get this one right. Yeah, Nike's moving back up. Nike's really got to get back. Like, for me to really want like this today, I'd like it to be back above like 81.30. You guys want to long again? Oh, you guys really want this market to come back up, huh? Oh boy. Here we go. Okay. So you got the first one. Got you good there. Let's oh my god, you guys want to long again. Oh jeez. Okay. Let's see how it goes. You are kind of flagging. You may have answered too soon, but you're still short. Daniel's been pretty good. Here's the other thing we're probably going to do with this too, guys. We're probably going to have like one of the trades. I'm going to try and do I have no, I have both of them. My Nikes are still green. My Wendy's are slightly red, but Wendy's hasn't hit that day low and neither has Nike. There's nothing to do with those right now. Plus they have so much time on them, they're barely moving. The shorts are coming back here. We have okay, I'm going to give this one another 45 seconds. 45 seconds. And then we'll do our points of risk. Should it be 4, 6, 8? No, because then the risk to reward gets huge. Yeah, but then we can do 1, 2, 3 for risk to reward. How about we do that? We'll do 4, 6, 8 for points of risk, and then we'll do 1, 2, 3 for risk to reward. That seems better, I think. You guys have 10 seconds, and it looks like we're going long again. You animals. You guys are absolute animals. All right, we're going long. You guys have decided it. We're gonna go long at the 3 o'clock candle. Now we have to decide our points of risk. If you pick one person in the chat to pick one of the plays we do each day, yeah, we're gonna do something where somebody can call in and outline a trade. These people going long are gambling. You guys are seeing like you don't. Everybody's gonna go crazy on these streams. Now it's drilling again. You still have time, like in what about a minute here. We're gonna switch it up. 30 seconds. See the triangle going long right now is insane. Guys, it's not up to me. It's up to the live chat. The live chat gets to decide. This is the collective group here that gets to decide. You guys have picked 2 longs, so we have to do 2 longs. At least you're having fun. That's what these are going to be. These are going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so we're going to go long with 4 points of risk. Now we need to figure out our risk to reward. Which is going to be now 1, 2, or 3. I'm trying to help you guys out. So in 2 minutes, I have to click the long button. So, and again, if you guys are enjoying this right now, you're having fun, make sure you guys hit that like button. Costs you nothing to do it. Helps me out spread these streams. We're going to, and again, the last 15 minutes of the day, we're going to be covering some more important stuff, obviously, because we're not going to be in a trade in the last 15 minutes. A 1 to 3 risk to reward. Wow, genius is here. We want a long with a 1 to 3 risk to reward and 4 points of risk. Okay. I guess that's what we're doing here. That's what it looks like on the stream right now. You guys are insane. What? This is ridiculous. How many seconds do we have? 30 seconds. Draw the trend lines. We'll see. I'm going to have to buy it with 4 points of risk. Ten seconds. Oh, we're doing a 1 to 2 now. Okay. What's up, Big? What's up, Stout? How you doing? All right. So you guys have decided. Hold on. What was it, 1 to 2? Okay, so we need 8 points higher. This is what you guys have selected now. You guys are about to go 0 for 6. Please don't. Guys, it's not up to me. We're letting the live chat see if they can pass a funded account challenge, and it's not looking too hot for them right now. Neo's holding really well at the highs. I love that. Palantir's dropping. Thank God. Keep dying. Pay me on those puts. Pay me. Oh, those are looking good. Be careful. Kenny G's hunting for your stops on a eval account. This is ridiculous. All right, let's see. You guys, so this is the second trade that you guys have selected. Honestly, I don't hate long in the retrace. That I don't hate. Would I do this? No, but you guys have decided. This is this going to be your first winner? Are you going to send this account back into the green, guys? Because then we have 2 more we're going to do. Uh-oh. I think they slipped me a little on that last one. No, I think that's fine. Based on this 5-minute, I think it can do it. Guys, this is like the most volatile time of the day. These trades are going to be insane. Like, these trades are going to be wild. 35% success rate. Yeah, well, that's all we really need. If we're going to trade 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s. You guys have a 0% success rate right now. 0. You guys have not had one winning trade. You have 5 losers in a row. But it's hard to find. Yeah. We need more volatility. You've got a decent amount of volatility here, man. You're hunting those 8 points. Let's see. Let's see if you guys get it. Funded accounts. They're good. Apex is good. The one that we're using for this one is like the cheapest for the evals. I'll throw a link to that one in here. It's pinned to the top of the live chat too. So if you guys like Apex, the benefit of Apex is you can get more funding. So you can get up to I think it's like $3 million in funding with Apex, which is pretty nuts. But the best one, in my opinion, is My Funded Futures Expert Plans. And if you guys use code VIX on either, I'll throw a link to that one in there. That one has the best rules. So again, you guys get 25% off. If you want them, great. If you don't, whatever. We're doing this for fun. You're 4 for 6 on these streams? I've seen that, Daniel. The live chat in total, though, has had 0 winners. And it's not looking good. How does it even work? You you have to abide by their rules, make a certain amount of money without losing a certain amount, and then you get moved up to their sim funded. And then if you make money with their rules with that, you get to take it out as real money. That's why I was saying, if you guys pass these and somehow, and then they start making money, I'll give the money away. We need the lady in red to get involved with the chart. We need the lady in red to stay far away. You're about to get a new 5-minute candle here. And it's looking like you guys did the exact same thing as you did before. You're just hoping for a long. You guys stink. Oh. If chat loses, I blame the teacher. I don't know how you can blame me for this. When we swing trade, it's almost impossible to do it if you were actually to wait for a good setup. We're doing it on every 15-minute candle open. Chat's going to need therapy after this? Yeah. Oh, here you go. This is going to have an aneurysm. Watching this is going to give me an aneurysm, but it's fun. We get to let the live chat just randomly decide what we do. Long, short, how many points of risk, what risk to reward. Every 15-minute candle open, we do it. Right now, you guys have a 0% success rate. Let's see. I want Palantir to start drilling again. It would be quite comical if you guys nailed one. That was so close. Did you guys see this? Vertical squeeze. What's up, buddy? Little update for you. The chat lost the first trade of the day. And now we're what? Too much talking, not enough angles. One of the chats not motivated. They lost the first trade of the day, and now they've longed again. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Guys, look. Guys, we might have something here. Low probability scalping. Let's see if it wants to go. It might. Are you guys having fun? Let's see. Let's do a show of hands. Are you guys having fun with this? You guys like this little series that we're doing here? It's just as hard to lose 5 in a row as it is to win 5 in a row. Give us some credit. Yeah, well, you guys are about to win your first trade here. We're about to go green on the day so far. Then we have 2 more trades to do, which you guys could easily screw up just as bad. Like, who knows? What trade is chat in? The lot, this right here. We're long off 59, 55, 25 ES. You might get this one. We are traumatized right now. This is why you focus on the swings and not trying to scalp like a dum-dum. You won't be able to sleep. Let's see. Oh, we're 15 likes away from 50. There we go. Thinking about this now. What, this? The live chat going crazy? Bro, close half and let it fly. Those aren't the rules. Those aren't the rules of the challenge. We need more trading advice from chickens. We do. We do. You guys are, well, technically, if this hits, you will be green and you will be on pace with the chicken. Oh, wait, we have to draw this one out too. I forgot to do this one. What was it? 50, 59, 55, 25. I just got to have these on the chart for when I do the video later. It's edging. Guys. Oh, yeah. Everybody throw some chickens in the live chat. Let's see. You guys might have just won your first trade here. You need 2 points. Two points and you got it. We're not going to have very much time to do this next trade, though. That's going to be the problem if we have to sit in these for a while. That was as close as you could possibly get to getting stopped out. I don't know how it didn't get you. You're close. All right, we should start thinking about the next one. All right, we should start thinking about the next one. Can we vote to let it ride and add on? No, you can't do that. Oh. There you go, live chat. That's your first winning trade of the challenge. Congratulations. Now we got to hustle to do the next one here. All right, long or short? We'll probably get 2 more of these in. We are green after, well, sort of green after 2 trades here. Oh, here we go. All right, everybody put in your votes. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like the stream if you're enjoying it. If you're enjoying. Didn't hit your downside target. What was it? Were you targeting day low? Oh no, everybody's saying short now. Oh boy. I don't know. Is the live chat going to be right? We've got, you guys have how much? I'm gonna give you guys another 30 seconds. 30 seconds on the poll. How's it looking? Ooh, the longs are, no, it's going to be at 3:15. So you have 4 minutes until the next trade. Oh, it's not looking bad. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to short. And now we need how many points of risk, which is what? 4, 6, 8 we're doing? All right, there you go. There's the next poll. How many points of risk are we taking on the live chat short? You guys are up right now, $83. Awesome. This is like you guys like your 4 points of risk, huh? 8 with balls of steel? No. You guys like that 4-point risk, huh? All right. You get another minute on this one. The points of risk is how many points on the chart? So it's like 59, 61, up, down, however many points. All right, you guys got 15 seconds on the poll. 15 more seconds on the poll, and then we'll see. Okay, 4 points of risk. Now risk to reward 1, 2, 3. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna have to short it. 4 pixels of risk? No. I was gonna say you guys are crazy right now. A 1 to okay, 1 to 2. I like that. How much time we got? Whatever it is in the next minute is what we'll do. Bitcoin's flushing. Good. I've outlined for you guys so many times on Twitter. Like you lose 90,700, Bitcoin's done for the foreseeable future unless it can reclaim that prior all-time high zone. You guys might have something here. Tesla short? I mean, I would not be trading that right now. You kind of miss it. How much time? All right, we got 30 seconds. You guys are going for a 1 to 3? Okay. All right. I guess that's what we're doing. All right. Here we go. You guys ready? Order filled. Hopefully in it to win it. Okay, so you need 12 points lower, which is basically gonna get you to where? Let's do math. 10, 47.25. Okay. There you guys go. Let's see if you guys win another one. Third trade of the day. You guys are 1 for 2. So you guys are already doing better than you did yesterday. Oh, maybe. Will the market follow Bitcoin down? How bad is it getting? Yeah, it is drilling, but Bitcoin could wick really quick. I'd be careful of that. Let's see. It's looking good. Ish. It's looking good-ish. It's because I'm here clicking away. Might be. It might be. If you guys nail this one, that'll be pretty funny. Gap fill tomorrow? Where? This is fun. It is fun. This is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to do this every afternoon starting at 2:30. So get ready. Neo's still looking great. Bitcoin just cliff diving right now. Market's not following it right now. Let's see if these sellers come in and whack it. I don't know, man. If you guys nail this trade, a 1 to 3, you guys are gonna have a little bit of a buffer on this eval here. It would have to go sniff those lows in order for that to happen, but you never know. Is Palantir drilling? Man, not really. Ooh, that was a little aggressive. The 3-month? Hold on. What are you talking about here? Talking about this? You could, I mean, you could come back down to this prior all-time high zone, and I really wouldn't be mad about that. But if you look at this SPY chart here, guys, it's just watch these zones. These zones I outlined for you guys are great. So again, keep smacking that like button on the way in, team. Costs you nothing to do. It helps me out a whole lot spreading these streams out. We're gonna have some fun with this. This is a fun little case study we've got going on here. Because if you guys nail this, you're gonna have a really big buffer. And we're gonna trade it small. Like there's a reason why I'm not trading like just normal ES on this, because you guys would. I thought you guys were just gonna blow the account in 3 trades because you guys lost 4 in a row yesterday. You're doing better today. I mean, you won a trade. You did win one. It's not looking too hot for you right now, though. Like, I want to see you guys win. It'd be fun to see you guys make money on these evals. Watch it, just a giant kill candle come out of nowhere and it just tanks down to TP. These are great. You're having fun. Awesome. Awesome. I'm glad. And then last 15 minutes of the day, obviously, we're going to cover some stuff, make sure that you guys are caught up to speed on kind of everything that's going on with the market, how you should be operating in the market, which is going to be very different than what most people are going to tell you. Like, guys, sitting here scalping for pennies all day is not how you make money in the market. It's just not. Like, in order to have long-term success in the market, guys, you have to understand the big picture of the market. It's just simple as that. Like, you think you can be a market participant and like compete against people that are have like so much more information, better strategies than you that like and you're just putting a little cookie cutter setup onto the chart, hoping that you're going to make money. No, that's not going to happen. People are just selling you a dream that just isn't the way it is. We'll see here. Let's see what they want to do with this. My margin swings. 95% of what I do is swing trading. And in the last 2 weeks, I've handed out to the Discord 4 multi-1,000% ones. There was Papa John's that was 5,000%. SMCI was 2,000%. Somebody nailed the DraftKings for 1,000%, and then there was one more. Guys, what was the 4,000%er? Was it Hershey? I don't think it was Hershey's, but Hershey's was an epic one. Because there was 4. I forget what the 4th one was. DraftKings, Pizza, SMCI, which I handed out for free on the Friday public stream. There was a 4th one, though. Hims? No, it wasn't Hims. Pizza was one. No, it was Pizza, SMCI, DraftKings, and then there was one more. I'm forgetting which one it was. Let me look in community games. Which one was it? Wasn't Verizon, but that was another big one. Did we count the Palantir one? It might have been the Palantir one. DraftKings was a banger. You gave them that for Friday too for free? No, that was the post-earnings DraftKings. Somebody was in it and then made it free for earnings, which was the original plan, and then those ended up running over 1,000%. So, and again, if you think about it, even like we can just think about the 5,000% Domino's Pizza example. If you have 2% of your account in that trade, you make it free at 100 to 150%. You have 1% of your account in the trade, and that goes up 5,000%. You're up 50% on your account. You need to lose 25 trades in a row in order to go back to break even. You're never, ever, ever going to get something like that day trading. Plus, there's no what's your edge? You're just fighting high frequency trading algorithms. Like, if there was an edge on these smaller timeframes, every single large quant hedge fund in the world would have that implemented, and it would be arbed out before any of you would actually be able to take advantage of it. So logically, it's very difficult for me to sit here and say, oh, yeah, that's a smart thing that you should be doing. No, it's not. You should always be putting your emphasis way more on swings than you would day trading. You just turned on the little bell so I can always join the live. Perfect. All of you guys should do that. Let's see. Are your private streams anything like your public stream losing 5 out of 6 trades a day? This is you guys deciding what to do. I have no part in this. I don't day trade all the time either. I can't even remember the last time I took a day trade. Well, technically today with this, but this doesn't count because this is you guys deciding what we do. HSY. HSY was you guys are struggling here. You guys are struggling. I mean, you're not down very much. You're only down $30 on the account. But HSY was another great one. You can look at this. Breakout was right here. Boom. That was a great one. The Domino's Pizza one was one of the most epic ones that we've had. This was insane. SMCI was just textbook here. Like, this was just a textbook setup. Like, boom, 3 days, blast off. All right. So we got a couple minutes to go here for the last trade of the day. That you guys get to pick. I feel like it's gonna be funny. People are gonna be like, "Oh, you're losing so much." When did I say long or short? Palantir and pizza is what I remember. Yeah, that's what I think it was. The Palantir puts were ridiculous. I'm still holding them. All right. Last trade of the day. Let's see. So that's going to be 3 for the day. 1, 2. Wait. 1, 2. No, 4 trades. So this will be the 4th. Because you guys are 1 for 2 right now today. All right, here we go. All right, guys. Long or short, here we go. Get your voting fingers ready. Here we go. Probably do 2 minutes on this one. Less trades, more ankles. What's up, David? How you doing? Yeah, Neo's looking phenomenal here. If this thing continues tomorrow, this could be a really epic trade. I only own like 4,000 shares of it too. I own some September contracts though. Where's Nike? How's that looking? Yeah, we'll see what happens. What are you guys thinking? Short? Oh my god. It's fine. You guys can do what you want. The market will pick its final direction at 3:30 p.m. Eastern after Robinhood blocks off the day traders off their platform from options. That is just not how it works. Sorry. That's like saying the market maker is hunting your stop. Like the guys saying the market maker is hunting your stop is like saying Jeffrey Epstein is hunting 30-year-old guys. They don't care about you. Like seriously. There seems to be an ankle obsession here. Yeah, well, there is. I sell feet pics online. Just kidding. Okay. Sorry. All right. Oh, you guys flipped it to long now, huh? Don't let me influence you. I would not be doing this anyway. Just this is all up to you now, guys. You got about 15 seconds to go here on this one. Then we're going to close it down. Everybody's voting long. Interesting. Okay. 3, 2, 1. We're going long. All right. Let's see how many points of risk we're doing. Got to sub to his lonely fans for the ankles. That's a good one. That's a good one. Only feet? No, it's Feet Finder, dude. What are we talking about here? You guys love your 4 points of risk, huh? I mean, it's the last one of the day. You can go a little. So you don't day trade? What do you trade? I swing trade. Larger time frames. Bigger. You guys, if you want to have long-term success in the market, you need to be able to ride long trends. Like, I don't know why anybody thought it was a good idea to tell you that scalping really small time frames is a good idea. They're literally putting you at a disadvantage in the market. Like we were going over the math earlier where it's like you don't need very many of those trades and you just have to be comfortable sitting on your hands. The problem with most people that come into the market is that they've just been programmed by like the school or their job where like they feel like they have to do something every single day in order to feel productive. And that's just not the market. The best thing most of the time is to do nothing. And until you can get comfortable with that, you're just going to continue failing. And like these people that are like, "Oh, let's just scalp the 1 minute time frame." It's like, what edge do you have? You don't. You're just gambling. Okay, so we're doing 4 points of risk. Back to gambling. Now we're going risk to reward. Like you guys can trust me or not, but like I'll just keep calling out 1,000% trades to the group, and then you guys can sit here and we can talk about them on the stream and recap. We can do that too. All right, so we're longing with 4 points of risk. And we have a minute here. We have 45 seconds. You guys want a 1 to 2? Okay. That's what it's looking like here. What do you got? 30 seconds to go. Let's a 1 to 1. Oh, it's tied. Uh-oh. It's all tied up. You guys got to vote. Uh-oh. We have 20 seconds. 1 to 2. Okay. You told you I'm very comfortable doing nothing. Then Gregory, you are going to be the perfect fit for the group. All right. New candle coming in any second now. Did I miss it? Oh, no. We're good. Order filled. Here we go. Let's see what you guys can do with the last trade of the day. And it's not looking good. What was it? A 1 to 2? you guys picked? This is going to be an instant stop out, guys. What's wrong with you? I'm not even going to put the TP on here yet. Well, you can put it on there. Hold on. There it is. Okay. Well, we'll see. You see a Head and Shoulders? I don't know where you see a Head and Shoulders at. We're living off past glory. Well, it's not. I mean, you guys won one trade. I wouldn't get too cocky over here. Rip. Yeah, it's not looking too promising for you guys unless somebody comes in and just starts ripping this thing higher here, which it's not looking good. One minute. All right. That was the 4 trades for today, and you guys stink. You guys. All right. Should we do one more into the end of the day? And we'll do 4 every single day for you guys. We'll do 4. So you guys starting off in the red. You guys lost about $130 today. Great work. Great work, team. So again, we're going to be doing these live streams every day, Monday through Thursday at 2:30. If you guys do enjoy the streams, make sure you guys are subscribed, turn notifications on, like the stream, do all that nonsense. But we'll, did they just stop you out and then rip it up on you? Hold on. What was the Neo ripping? There we go. Okay, so hold on. I got to draw all these out because there were 4 trades. You guys had a short somewhere. I got to draw this one back on here. Oh, no. You guys got stopped out by a tick. Oh, no. That's tough, guys. That is tough. Oh, better luck next time. Market makers watching the stream. Yep, that's exactly what happened there. Call me ICT. The market makers hunting my stop. All right, hold on. What was that third trade that you guys took? It was this one. 59.64.75. Hold on. You guys are just getting hammered over here. All right, and then there will be some like recap videos on this on what do you call it? On probably YouTube as well, and Instagram and TikTok later. So we're gonna make this a little series here. But you guys are stinking. Okay, what was the third one? 59.62.75. You guys literally got stopped out by like 2 ticks, I think. 1 tick. Yeah, but going through, I mean, that Neo swing is looking really good here. Nike's probably going to be fine. I'm going to give this a day or 2 to see what happens with this. And then where's Wendy's? How's that look? I mean, again, until it comes down below that low, it doesn't matter. And again, you guys got to realize too, like once you understand how powerful and how big the gains are with what we do around here, it's like the outcome of one individual trade is so meaningless. Okay, I nail a 500% trade. Or like, oh, it loses a little bit. Oh, you're down nothing. It's like once you guys fully get that, you're gonna be like, oh, that's how simple trading can be. And it's like, yeah, that's how it works. That's how it works, guys. So this would have been the last trade for you guys. This was the last one. You did win one. So at least there's that. You guys are on the board. That's also trading. Stop too tight. Yeah. You guys were loving those 4 points of risk, though. That Neo's looking good. My Nikes are still green. Not by much, but they're still green. The Wendy's are slightly red, but we'll see what happens with that. It's been a very slow week. There just isn't like the chop period that we've been in the market is just slow. So like being able to honestly, I'm very surprised that I was able to give out like 4 multi-1,000% trades in the last 2 weeks. That was a bit surprising. But again, if you're looking in the right places in the market, every single trade that we cover on the swing side has the ability to do it. So if they go, they go. Tesla tanking after Elon said Trump had the best cabinet ever assembled. Why would it be tanking? How bad is Tesla getting? Yeah, I mean, the short was here, but could die harder. It's another thing you guys got to realize too. Never chase. Like my gift is finding stocks that are about to explode before they do. And it would not be a gift if it was, oh, I just chase stocks that are already up 10%. Like, you know, ATR of recent candles. Yeah. Neo new high. Neo just cruising. If Neo gets over 5 this week, that would be nutty. That thing's got some strength on it. China's been strong though. But remember, I've been long China since last April. Like that yin trade from 20 to 51, that was epic. We haven't been wrong on any of the mid to long-term position trades yet. RKT, I mean, I'm out of it, booked the win, but what, Palantir from 15 to what else? What, Palantir? I was out at 71. I know a lot of you guys still held it. SoFi from 655 all the way up into like the 16, 17s. That was an epic one. Philip Morris, 95 to 154, whatever it is now. I mean, that thing plus dividend payments. Like, guys, I've been doing this since I was 14, learning from like the most successful people in the industry. Like, stop listening to morons on the internet. They're not going to help you. The fact that people are listening to people like Danny Trades or something just shows like how terrible the trading space actually is. Tariffs coming. You guys have heard me talk about this a lot. I can't wait to never hear the word tariff again because it literally doesn't change anything. Really doesn't. What tariffs do we have now? Okay, we maybe have some EU ones. We don't really have Mexico and Canada ones just yet. They can still come to an agreement, and we kind of have the China ones. Not really, though. China's still doing fine. Neo new highs. There we go. NVIDIA earnings. If I had to gamble it, I'd say they beat, but I wouldn't put any money on the options or anything. Since 14? Yeah, guys, I've been doing this forever. Why do you guys think I know about all this macro stuff? Like when we come in and talk on the streams about like, oh, Japan bond yields, like the other thing too is like, oh, I'll go out and call the top. Well, okay, so this bond market call the top in yields. I was off by 2 days this time. All right, sue me. The last one was the day before the September cut. You think it tanks after? Why though? You still have. I could see that if all of the other Mag 7s said that they weren't gonna, they were gonna decrease their capex, which they didn't. The only one was really Facebook. They all the other ones said that they were increasing or continuing their normal capex, which a lot of that is going to Nvidia. So their guidance can still be very good. And they can talk about Blackwell. Like there's a lot of things that Nvidia and Jensen can do in this earnings call to have a positive reaction. And it's not like the stock is trading at the highs. Like it's not like Nvidia is trading all the way up here near 150. Like it's not, it is still elevated, but it's not like it's been like when a lot of these other companies were reporting. Like you saw Hims reports at the highs, beats their numbers, but it's just not enough to continue the buying pressure in the stock. People will sit there and say, oh my God, why is it not moving up after they beat by so much? And it's like, well, because the stock is up, I don't know, like 70% in 2 weeks before earnings. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense for the stock to continue up. It's not a buy the rumor, sell the news. It's just no matter what they did, the news was not going to be good enough. Am I playing puts on NVIDIA? No. What? Why the hell would I do that? The only thing that I do on earnings, guys, is the post-earnings strategy that is probably the easiest, most lethal strategy that exists. You turn your brain off with that one. It's the easiest thing in the world. We had 3 potential ones today, but they invalidated, so we never took them. That video used to be out on YouTube, but it's not anymore. It's only in the Discord. But again, guys, it's $30 for your first month to join the Discord with code TRADE. It's $1 a day. You get all the courses, all the private live streams, all the macro research reports, the full watch list of stocks that are about to explode before they do, the pre-market plans, the single stock research reports, everything. Like if you guys are struggling in the market, it is the only place you need to be. And if you click that link, I'll throw it in here too. If you click the link, I only have 5-star reviews for a reason, guys. Just go read the reviews. I don't have to sit here talking about it. It speaks for itself. If you guys had selected a little bit more, 6 points, you would have had it. Yeah, but then the 1 to 2 would have been like right here. So next time. It would be hilarious if you guys passed one of these. But we're keeping it small though, because again, that intraday trail on Apex is going to potentially get you. So we'll see. I might stay on for a little bit for NVIDIA earnings. Maybe a little bit. I mean, it's not really a difference maker to me. So I mean, for the market, yes. NEO new highs. There we go. Dude, NEO is just strong. Look at this thing. FMTO just hit the high ticker. This is no, guys. That doesn't fit anything that I want to be messing around with. The only one that I was interested potentially in for the rest of the week was going to be LVS. This still kind of looks good. If this can close and then pop back up tomorrow, it'll still be valid, but it's 50-50. And that's really the only other one right now. Lethal. Yeah. I mean, guys, once you see it, you can't unsee it. Like if you saw what we were doing, the gains that like everybody was making when the market starts to fire a little bit, just a little bit, you'd be like, why wasn't I doing this all along? And that's like one of the biggest feedbacks that I get in the community. It's like, oh, it's that simple. Yep. Don't overcomplicate stuff. Seriously, you don't need to. Just keep it simple. Once you understand the setup, then the only thing is understanding which sectors to look in and understanding the big picture, which takes time. But again, you don't need it right away. You need it to in order to really turbocharge your success long term, but not right away. Because I'm handing you guys the best setups on a silver platter. But yeah, the prices are going up at the end of the week. So you want to lock in the lower rate? Go for it. If not, have fun trying to short and chase stuff. I don't know. There goes Bitcoin bouncing. Oh, you guys would have hit it. Oh, man. They just got you by 1. That was darn. They didn't let you have that one. But yeah, I'll be making a Instagram reel, TikTok video. It'll be out on YouTube for later. Ooh, we're pumping now. Would Snow be a better trade? Snow looks awful, guys. What are you doing? No. Snow is earnings today too. What are you doing? I'll tell you guys this right now too. If you want to have professional level results in the market, you need to act like a professional. This gambling around earnings is probably one of the dumbest things that you could do. I'm not calling you dumb. I'm just saying the action that you want to take is dumb. Like why? Okay, so let's think about it like this. This is a great way to think about it. Let's say that you were to buy Snow calls and Snow rips 30% on earnings and you make 10 grand, 20 grand, 100 grand. Let's say 10 grand. Does that actually give you any repeatable process to go make that 10 grand again in the future? Or is it just all random chance? It's all random chance. The other thing you'll realize too is The easiest so this is the difference between my community and everybody else's is one, I would prefer not to commit securities violations, but you just see everybody else in the world saying, "No, I don't care." And it's like, "Okay, whatever. You want to have no morals and ethics? That's fine. Not me." Um the way that you really have success in the market is by fully understanding the reasons why you're entering, how you're going to manage it once you're in it, and when and where you're going to exit and what those reasons are. Once you understand that, you then have the other thing you have to understand too is the actual full back tested or results of your system that you should be able to generate over time. What that enables you to do is it says, okay, I know that over time I should be able to do X, Y, and Z, and I know that there's certain trades coming that are going to like obviously outweigh any potential losing trades that could ever exist. So when you fully understand that, it makes it so much easier to not make these silly emotional, psychological, and risk management mistakes in the present because the very thought of doing that would be like contaminating the data set that you had. You'd be like, why would I want to do that? So that's why that's the reaction that I have where it's like, oh my, why would I ever do that? Because it doesn't make logical sense to, according to the systems that are already out there that are proven to work over time. And that's what you have to focus in on. It's not the, and I said it before, the outcome of one individual trade, guys, is meaningless. I don't care. It either works or it doesn't. But every single trade that we take has the ability to run those multi thousands of percent. That's why we're in them. Look at this market go. Where's Nike? Is this getting a little bit here? That's really good. Okay, where's the 200 EMA on Nike? It's like right here where it is. Yeah, if Nike can pull up a little bit more today, I'll still be very excited about this one. If not, I'll probably give it a day to see if it can get back up. But if not, I'll just kill it. But does that make sense? It's like you want professional level results in the market, guys. You got to act like a professional. None of this screwing around on small time frame crap. Sorry, it's just not going to help you. It just isn't. Neo back down a little. Nike, I really do like where this is looking to close. Right on top of the 200. Especially if this market keeps pushing here. Where's Wendy's? Did Wendy's get its head out of it? You know what? Or is that thing still moving down? We'll see. We'll see. Those are like April contracts. Snow has earnings today, and that chart looks horrific. I wouldn't touch that with it. Kind of invalidated, but that thing's starting to go. Yeah, I think it's 81.36. Yeah, 200 EMA on the daily on Nike. Yeah, Snow is just not one that we would ever go near. One more time? No. Yeah, it's today in that chart. Like what? I mean, GC, you know, it's like, what about that chart would make me want to do anything with it? Nothing. Nothing. But yeah, we're gonna do these streams every day. Tomorrow's Thursday, so that'll probably be the last one for the week. I might do one Friday. We'll see. I might be able to do one on Friday with you guys. And then in the description here too, there's some links to some good prop firms if you guys want more accounts. Just use code VIX. Take Profit Traders doing a 50% off sale. Apex is doing an 80% off sale. And then My Fund and Futures, which in my opinion is like has the best rules for you guys on their expert accounts. It's more expensive, but they're still doing a 25% off sale. So those links are in the description if you guys want them. Yeah, not a thing. Exactly. We wouldn't do anything with that. And then Friday mornings, I'm live publicly for you guys. But it's going to be way different than these streams. This is not like Friday mornings is not when we screw around. Like you guys are going to see kind of how it is in the Discord, what we do. It's been boring this week, though. I've just been sitting on the street bored with you guys. There's been nothing really to do. I mean, Wendy's had a chance. Nike had a chance. Nike still has a chance. Neo could be really fun if this gets some continuation tomorrow above the highs up to 492. That could be really fun. You guys were so close here on that last one. That would have been fun. Instead of that's how it is. And this is okay. This is actually a really, 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 really good illustration of something. And it's something that I talk a lot about with the group, and it's margin for error. You guys got stopped out by, I don't know, 1 tick on this. And that was the difference between being up like 1.5 R, I think, on the day on this versus being down 1 R, 1 of your risk. Okay. That's what you're going to run into every single time with day trading because the margin for error is so small. If you're trading 1-to-1s, 1-to-2s, even 1-to-3s, where you only need to win 25% of your trades, the problem really comes in is you don't really have like a statistical edge that actually makes any logical sense. Because again, like I said before, if you did, every single quant hedge fund in the world would be implementing those strategies, and then your edge would no longer exist by the time you could even trade it, because there'd be too much money flowing through that. So any one of those opportunities would get what's called arbed out. With swinging, you get to use the best edge that the market has ever and will ever offer, which is information. It's as simple as that. Like when we know which sectors are hot, which sectors are strong, which names are strong, why they're strong, if they start to set up, oh boy, here we go. And that's where the really big trades come in. And also just technically on, like, if you're looking at like a larger time frame from a technical perspective, you have the ability with swing trades to it's asymmetric returns all day long. Because let's say you hit one of those 1,000%ers, just one. You now need to lose 10 trades in a row to just get back to break even. If you're trading a 1-to-2, it's only 2. But then people could say, oh yeah, but I could just trade a 1-to-10. It's like, yeah, but you're not going to make any money. You're not going to see those trades happen very often. With swing trading, you do. I mean, we were talking about them today. There's been 4 multi-1,000% trades that have been like that you guys have hit in the last 2 weeks. 4 of them. End phase. I actually like this chart. Not anymore. Just kidding. I did this morning. Not anymore. I don't like this. But these are things that if you guys want to actually have success in the market, these are things that you actually have to understand. Like people aren't going to tell you those things. So they're just like, oh, I think that because they're just hanging out on the left side of the bell curve. That's just how it works. My little setup does that. No, it doesn't. I could run 1,000 trade simulation on multiple time frames. Price also isn't fractal. So like, I don't know, man. People are just the trading space and the trading industry is just it's awful. It's really bad. So Nike's going to close right around here. I think we got 7 minutes. I'd love for it to get a little boost into the end of the day, but you never know. Neo came down a little bit from the highs, but that's still looking phenomenal. I only have 4,000 shares of this and then the options for September. So, I mean, it could be decent. Like if it doubled, I'd be like, oh, cool. But then I just have free Neo shares. Like, where's Yin today? I bet Yin's looking really good. Yeah, Yin's up 9%. So this trade right here, guys, is an interesting one to kind of go over as well. 3M. No. Nothing on that. This is an interesting one. So I was building this long position in China back here. And it was like 2050 is where I had it. Wrote it up. It came back down. The thesis on China had not changed. Then you got big China stimmy. This is also where we nailed the multi-1,000% PDD as well. Right in this area. And I was still long in. I think I made like 900% on that one, but some of you guys held it for more because there was that big gap up that we drilled. Nike's back up to that 200 EMA. So then I sold on this day here at 51, sold half of my position. Now I have free exposure to to China right now, which is awesome. James, I have no idea, and quite honestly, I really don't care. I really do not care what Ryan Cohen does. It's not going to affect anything broad market. The crypto is selling off. Crypto, like you guys in the Discord saw it, that chart I posted for you guys with like global money supply. Bitcoin has a little bit ways down to go, but it will most likely come back up into the summer. That's my expectation for it. And I'll give you guys a freebie here. Ready? This is what I'm going to be hunting. I want, again, this zone's interesting, but I would really love Mara to come back down into this zone. And they have earnings today too. So I would actually hope that Mara gets mauled on earnings, drops down into here, and I can start establishing a lead position in this thing. I'd actually consider doing that. The what do you call it though? The miners have been just so like they've underperformed like crazy. The thing is though, is that if you get back down into here, this was 1,000%er. This was an epic trade on Mara here as well. And again, these are the trades that you wait all year for, and you go boom, and that's what it's about. Or you can sit around on small time frames and lose money. You could do that too. You could do that, which I know a lot of you guys are still doing. That's fine. When you're ready to actually start making money, you guys know where to go. I will be watching to see what happens with Mara here though today. I don't have a position in it, but you are at one of our zones here. There was 2 trades on Mara actually. There was this one and that one, and this was the basin break kind of. This one was a little bit different, but this one was filthy. It was like a 1 to 14 or something. 19. That's insane. Yields are still moving down just as expected. Let's see. Let's see. Maverick, I haven't been over there in like, I don't know, year and a half, I think. Year and a half. It's called Morrow? What do you mean, James? Yeah, the yin still looks great though. If China continues, which it easily can, if this thing gets up to like 75 or 100 at some point in the next 2 years, that's when I'll sell a little bit more of it. But this is free. I don't have to do anything with it. It's just cost basis is negative. Yin could go to 0 and I'd still make money. I have like somewhere in the 5 figures of it. The max. Oh, the yield max? I'm not a big fan of those. We can talk about them. I got to look into them a little bit more. It just depends on where they're selling this premium and how they're getting the leverage on them. Let's see. Why'd I leave? Lots of reasons. Lots of reasons. Is Neo still up there, or is it fading a little? Force that looks good, man. That looks really good. I'd like it if Nike were to hold this 200 though after breaking through it, but again, I've got lots of time on these contracts too, so I could let these go. Like these are still green. One minute. I don't think it's right at the bell. I don't think it's Nvidia's earnings right at the bell. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. It probably comes out a little bit later. 18 seconds. Is Nike going to do it? Yeah, I don't think so. Great move today on Neo, though. Up 10%. That's awesome. That's awesome. So, all right, guys. Market close. I think that's going to wrap it up for today. Again, we're going to be back live tomorrow, 2:30 p.m. Again, if you guys need some more of those funded accounts, the Apex link is pinned to the top of the live chat. The other ones, My Funded Futures and Take Profit Trader, are in the description. Take Profit's doing 50% off, and My Funded Futures on their expert plans is doing 25. Apex, though, is doing 80%. They're doing one of their 80% off sales. So all of those, you guys can use code VIX if you want them. Yeah, or if you guys want to hop in the Discord, you guys know where to go for that one. Prices are going up at the end of the week. You get 50% off your first month with code TRADE. You guys can come join us. Good stream. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys had fun too. We're going to be doing these tomorrow. I'm going to have some short form content out for you guys for just kind of recapping what we did here. It's going to be fun. Liked and shared. Thanks, James. I appreciate that. And then kind of the schedule is we'll see what we do with the YouTube videos. I have some more YouTube videos that I want to create. The one from yesterday wasn't like something was wrong with it. It like for some reason one of the videos got sped up. NVIDIA didn't report, did they? No. So I had to take it down. I didn't see that, which was weird. It like was in the something happened to it. I don't know. But I got a lot more YouTube videos coming out. Friday morning, I'll be live publicly with you guys. Like the video on the way out. Join the Discord. Thanks, GC. I appreciate that. Yeah, I mean, you guys know just the link is somewhere around here. It's in the description. Links in the description. Just click, read the reviews. You don't take it from me. Just go read the reviews of just how nasty everything we do in there is. So team, I'll see you guys later. Have a great rest of your evening. Peace.